Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, on 27th of November 2020, your English paper is being held. For that, you need a little bit counseling. Dear students, your English questionnaire would be of 100 marks, and out of 100 marks, you have to attempt only 60 because there is clear cut concession of 40%, and whatever your gain would be out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. If your all 60 are correct, that means you are getting 100 out of 100. So your gain, if it is 52, it's 45, it is 47, that would be proportionately raised to 100. So moving beyond 60% marks is not a very good decision. Dear students, today we are dealing how to write down a letter because letter writing is often asked in the board examinations of class 10th English. Dear students, letter is simply a way of communication, and letter writing is a formal way and an informal way. You have to keep in the mind that formal letters and there are the informal letters. When you are writing a letter to the principal of your institution, to the chief education officer, to the director education, to the district development commissioner, you are writing a formal letter. And when you are writing a letter to your friends, to your father and other relatives, this is the informal letter. Dear students, so the letters are of two types mainly, that is the formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters, when you are writing to principal of your institution, to the chief education officer, to the direct school education, to the editor of any newspaper, you are writing a formal letter. And when you are writing to your friends, to your relatives, that is the informal letter. So for both formal letters and informal letters, there are the rules or there are the conventions which we need to follow. You, for example, if you are asked in the board examination, write an application oblique because applications are also the formal letters. And sometimes it is asked write an application to your principal for the discharge certificate. That means it is now the application is what? It is a formal letter. So you can write down on the sheet of your paper by following these things. On the right, you can write down the name of the place from where you are writing a letter. That means on right you have to write down the examination hall because you are in the examination hall. So examination hall you put the comma there, and below it you should mention the date. The date should be mentioned like this: November 24 comma 2020, and then move to the left. On the left you have to write down the address of the person whom you are writing. For example, the principal, comma, government higher secondary school Kokru, government higher secondary school, comma, then Kokrusa below, and you put the full stop there. And then you can also mention the subject of the application. Subject of the application means what is for which I am writing it. That means discharge certificate. And then the salutation. Salutation means if the head of the institution is sir, you can write down male person, you can write down this sir. And if he is the female person, you can write down the madam. And then the body. And body means the what do you want. And then you have to on the left you have to mention sincerely yours faithfully. And when you are writing to the principal, to the direct school education, to the district development commissioner, it's better to write down yours faithfully and comma. Then you can write down your name, and also if a class is needed, a roll number is needed, you can write down there. For example, I have already quoted an example of how to write down a letter if you want a discharge certificate. On the right, you have to write down the examination hall, then below the date on left, the principal, government higher secondary school, then Kokrusa, put full stop, and then subject, discharge certificate, then the salutation, that is the sir or madam. With high regards, I would like to request that my father has been transferred to Jammu and our whole family is moving to Jammu. Now I have to seek the admission in at Jammu. For that I need full stop. For that I need a discharge certificate. So and put para. So kindly issue discharge certificate in favor of me. There is nothing lying out against my name. And then the closing. Yours faithfully. You can write down the name, class. In this is how we can write the formal letter. In case of informal letters, for example, you are write down to your friends to avoid the smoking. Avoid smoking, which have come in your notes. That you can also write down the examination hall on the right, then below date, and on the left you have to write down my dear friend, put the comma. Hope that my letter will find you in a good mood and sound health. It came to my notes that you are adopting a bad habit of smoking, and smoking is injurious to health. It will tell upon your health badly in the future. Better is to leave the smoking so that you can continue your life without any hesitation. You can write down yours loving friend A, B, C, and whatever your name would be. Dear student, this is how we can write down a letter in the examination and can fetch 4 or 5 marks. So you have to keep in the mind that letter writing is a way of communication, and formal letters, there are informal letters. When you are writing down to your principal, your chief education officer, this is a formal letter. When you are writing down to your friends, your fathers and other relatives, informal letters, and both informal letters and formal letters have the conventions. On the right of the page, you have to write down the name of the place where from you are writing, then date. On the left, you have to write down the address of a person whom you are writing, then the salutation, and you can write down also the subject, and you can have the body, and then the closing. This is so simple to write down a letter, and you can fetch 4 or 5 marks when it is asked in the board examination. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. Better is to see these things on the English grammar book where these things are mentioned and get the concept fully grasped. Dear students, work hard. My prayers are with you, and you will succeed in the coming examinations with huge margin. Thanks. Be well said.